guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you our house. We currently moved. Well, technically it's an apartment, but technically we moved, and we moved about almost 2 months ago, I would say. And I've been meaning to show you. It's just I've been super busy with Waylon, and yeah. So let's get started. Door. Got our shoes right here. Sorry for my hand. This is the kitchen. So there's like the utility closet, like with the water heater and whatever else. Our cabinet that has like our dishes, obviously. Like plates, bowls, whatever, cups. We got a dishwasher in this apartment, which is really cool. Waylon's bottle rack, his Similac. I do plan on doing a video soon about Waylon. So just stay tuned on that because obviously it's probably going to take a while for me to upload it. But yes. So we got our sink over here in like the island. And over here we got cabinets, the stove, a refrigerator, and then like cabinet space above. Which, I mean, it looks really dinky. And you gotta think of how to store things in like a minimalist way. So that's what we did. Over here we have the microwave and a little stand that we got from my parents. It makes really good like little shelf that we need, like we use stuff often with. Lunchbox, apron, some wall decor. Here we have like the dining room. We bought this rug recently. We got our table and chairs from the other house. We got Waylon's high chair. And here in these two doors, we got our washer and dryer, which is really nice because they're hidden. You can't see them when the doors are closed. Here's our second bathroom. We live in a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. So here's the second bathroom. Your typical bathroom. We have Waylon's play gym. We got a little seat that we bought him here recently. There's a little horse jumper. We got a sliding glass door right here, which is cool, but it's kind of weird. Kind of scares me a little bit. We got our TV over here, bookshelf. It's a really cool little space. We hung our light up like at the other apartment. Our cross wall like before. Our couch. We soon want to get a different table. Right now we're sticking with it. A recliner. And yeah, there's the overview of the living room. Next in here we have our pantry. It's kind of messy, but I mean, it's big. Like a bunch of water. We got Waylon's stash of food. And yeah. Going upstairs, here's our stairway. It's right behind our door. When you come up the stairs, the first doorway is our bedroom, which is Austin and I's bedroom. We have our dresser, which is new. We got it at IKEA. I think it was about 200 and something. It was definitely a lot cheaper than what we've seen, so that's why we got it. There's our TV on top of it, my Xbox. My doll's over here. She wasn't there, but I was planning on building her a bed or a dollhouse. But it's actually going to take a lot more work than I thought it would, so, and money, so we're not building it anymore. So just stuck her on top of the filing cabinet. You turn around. Here's our bed. I love this bedspread. We bought it like last weekend because we kind of ruined ours. Not explaining that story, but so here's our cedar chest from before. Our nightstands match the dressers, which we also got IKEA. And here's our A&H. Austin's hat wall. There's a gun cabinet, which is Austin's, obviously. We got a new fan. And here is our closet. It's pretty big. I mean, it's okay. It's average. We got a shelf up here. We got our clothes. And then we got like our hamper, shoes, vacuum cleaner, the usual, what we usually had in our closet. Walking out of our room, the next thing you see is, or what I would see is the linen closet, which is right here. The usual linen stuff. Got like medicines up here. We got extra stuff. Waylon's stuff is right there. Got extra like soaps, toothbrushes, toothpaste, everything. extra towels, and just a bunch of other stuff right there. The next thing is our bathroom, which is the upstairs bathroom. Our shower curtain, which looks like barn doors. The toilet, the sink, a gigantic mirror. Yeah. There's another mirror, which is a medicine cabinet. And yeah, we have just the plain Jane usual, what do you call it? The sink that we had at the other apartment. Walking out of the bathroom, there's like a little island way. Next is Waylon's room. So you walk in, and overview. Got his toy chest, his drum set, which he can't play right now, his rock and roll blanket, his bookshelf with his humidifier, clock, books on there, his rocking chair, his awesome crib. I just love it. The crib rail and the crib sheet we got on Etsy. I don't remember the name, but his room theme is camo and cowboys, and a little bit of turquoise in there. Got his mobile that my mom and I made. Dream catcher, his man cave sticker. And we got over here is his zoo, basically. We had a little nook in here, we didn't know what to do with it, so my husband put a baby gate right there and made a little zoo for him. For his stuffed animals, of course. We got the dresser, which is the same as ours in our bedroom. We put a little Chevy sticker on it. Got his changing pad and all that good stuff. We got his name above it. And yeah, his diaper pail. Comment down below if you guys want to see what's in our dressers. I mean, for his it's kind of exciting, but yep. And then over here is his closet. We got his shoe rack, which he only can wear like a few, but he don't wear like shoes because he curls his toes. But I keep my wedding dress in here because it's just kind of like extra storage, as you can see right there. And then we have his closet. And y'all, this boy, he's only just about to be 5 months old and he has more clothes than I do. And this ain't even all of them. So, the stuff he's grown out of. We got his diaper, the wipes, bathtub, his diapers pile, which is only 2s and 3s for right now. And I think there's 4s and 5s in there too. But, yep, so there's extra stuff. As I hung this up, I put Waylon's name on it, which is Waylon Maverick. And the only thing that's really going to change right now is the months, which is, he's about to be 5 months on Sunday, the 31st. So, yeah. That's it for the house tour. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you next video. Bye.